Hi, I'm physician assistant Melissa Loneker, founder of Hormones and Wellness of Utah and Mind Bloom Mental Wellness. I began practicing medicine in 2001 and started off in family practice. I didn't love the traditional pharmaceutical and insurance-based models. I didn't like that I had to be in and out with patients within about 10 minutes or the one-size-fits-all treatments. So in about 2010, I made a big change and I began specializing in functional medicine and bioidentical hormone replacement therapy. This was so great for me. I was able to get to the root of problems better with my patients. I found much more personal satisfaction, and I was able to spend the time with my patients that I felt like I needed to. I've been able to take a much more holistic, full body and mind approach. Since the very beginning of my practice, there is one thing that seems to come up with virtually every patient, and that is their mental health. Dealing with a variety of patients over the last 25 years, one of the major concerns that almost everyone has been their emotional balance for one reason or another. I have successfully been able to help most of my patients have better mental health with the use of therapy, supplements, medications, hormone balance, and lifestyle modifications, but it seems there's always one piece that might be missing. When I learned about Exomind, I knew that it was going to be the thing that would really help round out the mental well-being of my patient. In this video, I will explain what Exomind is, how it works, and why we have chosen to offer these treatments in my practice to support better mental wellness and brain optimization. Exomind is the latest non-medicinal breakthrough in mental health technology designed to improve mood, feelings of stress, and emotional well-being. Using the newest and most advanced Transcranial Magnetic Stimulation device, Exomind produces gentle magnetic pulses into the part of the brain that is responsible for mood and emotional regulation, as well as cognitive function. Exomind helps build and make connections in brain tissue for lasting and effective improvement in mental and cognitive function. By stimulating the brain tissue, it helps increase the production of vital chemicals like serotonin, norepinephrine, dopamine, and GABA, all of which help with overall mood regulation, focus, stress resilience, and even cravings for food or other substances. Most people report feeling more motivated, energized, and more emotionally balanced after their treatments. The typical program is 6 sessions over a 2 to 3 week period of time. Exomind offers a promising alternative for individuals who have not found relief with medications or prefer a drug-free approach to their mental wellness. Exomind uses the technology of transcranial magnetic stimulation, otherwise known as TMS, which is a proven, non-invasive therapy that has been used to treat depression and other mental health conditions for decades. Unlike traditional TMS, Exomind uses its patented ExoTMS technology with advanced mapping and a comfort-focused design, making sessions shorter, more efficient, and easier to tolerate. Exomind sessions are completely non-invasive and drug-free. There's no anesthesia or sedation required. They last under 30 minutes per session. Most people feel a light tapping sensation on their scalp that is very comfortable, and then you can get up and return to your normal activities immediately after the session. Exomind has been cleared by the FDA to treat major depressive disorder and by Healthy Canada to treat binge eating disorder. It has been used to help people with OCD or intrusive thoughts, postpartum anxiety and depression, PTSD and trauma, sleep issues related to mood and stress, and many other mental health conditions. At Hormones and Wellness of Utah and Mind Bloom Mental Wellness, we rarely look at symptoms in isolation. Exomind works beautifully alongside functional medicine, hormone balance, lifestyle changes, and therapy when needed. It is another tool to support true healing. Exomind can be considered for people who struggle with depression that have not improved with medication alone, for people who have experienced anxiety, chronic stress, or difficulty regulating emotions, for those who feel stuck in cycles of binge eating, food cravings, or other eating concerns, for those who are experiencing fatigue, brain fog, and low motivation, and for those who want a safe, drug-free, non-surgical option for better brain health. With Exomind treatments, some people noticed a shift in mood, clarity, or calmness within just a few sessions. Other people see gradual progress over the coming weeks. A typical treatment plan includes 6 or more sessions. Because Exomind supports neuroplasticity, which is the brain's ability to build stronger connections, many people experience benefits that continue beyond their treatment series, and in many cases, this may help reduce the risk of symptoms returning at all. We see firsthand how depression, anxiety, stress, and cravings limit people's lives. Often, the only options patients are given are prescriptions. Medications may help some people, but often they come with side effects or leave people worrying about whether or not they're ever going to be able to feel normal again. I believe healing comes from addressing the whole person: hormones, lifestyle, emotional health, and now brain function. Exomind gives us a safe, drug-free way to directly support the brain. For many of my patients, it has been the missing piece that helps everything else finally fall into place. Let's talk about the difference between Exomind and traditional TMS. Traditional TMS, or Transcranial Magnetic Stimulation, usually requires daily sessions for 4 to 6 weeks. Exomind is designed to be more efficient and often only requires 6 treatments altogether over a 2 to 3 week period of time. It also uses real-time brain mapping and a comfort-focused design, making the treatments shorter and easier to tolerate. When people ask how Exomind is different than medication, I tell them that medications change the chemistry throughout the body and it affects the brain. Exomind, however, directly stimulates specific brain circuits involved in mood and focus. Because it is drug-free, it avoids causing common side effects of medications such as fatigue, weight changes, or sexual dysfunction. Some people want to know the safety of Exomind. The truth is, it is very safe. It is non-invasive, it's drug-free, it's very well tolerated. No anesthesia or sedation is required, and you can return to your normal daily activities immediately after treatment. When people ask me if Exomind can replace therapy or medication, the answer varies. It depends on the person and it depends on the severity of their mental health. Exomind can be used on its own, and it is also often used as part of a comprehensive care plan. Many patients choose to combine it with therapy, medication, nutrition, lifestyle changes, and other things for the best results. We focus on whole person healing by addressing root causes, not just symptoms. Our team combines functional medicine, hormone optimization, and innovative therapies like Exomind to help patients improve brain health, emotional wellness, and overall quality of life. If you are wondering whether Exomind can help you or a loved one, we would love to talk with you. Please schedule a complimentary phone consultation with us, and together we will build a personalized plan to support your brain health, emotional wellness, and whole person healing.